Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain ATX vs SFX power supply, which is better. Follow along and note your case size and power needs before choosing. I'll walk you through form factor differences, cooling considerations, and connector availability in plain language. You'll learn which option suits desktops, compact builds, and edge cases when space or noise matters. Stick with me and you'll feel confident picking the right PSU for your setup. When comparing physical differences, think about the case and airflow first, because size controls your options. ATX supplies offer more internal room for bigger fans and longer cables, while SFX focuses on minimal footprint and tight cable runs. Measure clearances, fan orientation, and mounting points before buying. I'll explain how depth and width impact compatibility and why some adapters or extensions may be necessary for certain motherboards and cases. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel keep making helpful tech videos. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are great for busy builders who meal prep between builds. They're handy, durable, and saved me time when working late on PCs. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a set. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Performance often comes down to wattage, efficiency, and thermal headroom, so choose based on your hardware demands. ATX tends to provide higher continuous wattage options and better cooling potential, while SFX can deliver similar efficiency in smaller packages but may run warmer under sustained loads. Pay attention to 80+ ratings and transient response, because those determine stability during spikes. Match the supply to your CPU and GPU power profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.